Akokwa ebia started sheshe party offices. Ebia started to 2
minutes.
Yes, ebia started to 2 any ade na ade na Mahama emo wedi na ade na John Mahama emo wedi ni ade. Akokwa, these are the positions that Mahama has to fill.
Right.
Document state interest and my position when Mahama feel you.
Hi.
Akokwa heni we are joint ventures. We are state interest and accountability.
Okay.
Yeah, Ghana Crowd Guitar Center, Airtel Tigo Company Limited. Once Airtel Tigo say state-owned company, 80. One for we name. AESL, Bost, Consolidated Bank, Electricity, Ghana Airport, Ghana Commodity Exchange, Cocoa Board, Ghana Select Cocoa Board is around the Abafa, Ghana Exim Ban. I can report with a Sylvester Mensah, former director for NHIS, Wafa. Ghana Grid Company, Gridco, Ghana Heavy Equipment Limited, Ghana Port Company Limited, Ghana Publishing, Ghana Railway, Ghana Reinvestment Company, Ghana Supply Company, Ghana Tourism Development Corporation, Ghana Trade Fair Company Limited, Ghana Waters. I can report say former MP for Damango, former ranking member on the Mines and Energy Committee, Mutawakilu Adams, Yedeneko Ghana Water, Gihok. Mahama bo bi di me refinidi nso no so mafa bio Ghana Graphic and position we nyina wo akokwa
about 53 and I'm saying
53 state owned joint venture no so 47 and e wo pay 2 where other state interest Bank of Ghana, Ghana Cyber Authority, Data Protection Commission, Driver Vehicle Licensing Authority, Energy Commission, Environmental Protection Agency, and also Miami boy professor I think Cluche or so. On a fellow Chokwachi for soon a call, Abra Sebu Kwamankese, on also for EPA. Your FDA or your Forestry Commission, Ghana Gaming Commission of Ghana, Ghana Civil Aviation Authority. When you now, it's your dear. So, party office.
I'm not surprised it may take a bind be obeba to be about 3 months to 4 months to complete the appointment.
Other state interest they are saying 75. Okay.
Bakono
47. It's 75 plus 47. No say 40 70 and 122. Plus 53 no. 175.
175.
Other PROs ni other deputies in my where key positions no. Am I?
Like serious?
It's Tobo. Obia benya baby ashe. But what me who trend be I think that the NDC needs to pay attention.
Right.
Ebi o madrema so far what I can confirm to you. Any Papa Abraham Amaleba Ghana just only appointing acting Director General National Road Safety Authority. Abraham Amaleba Branti or that says no no position.
Yes. So a lawyer.
Oh, a lawyer.
Right.
No can this legal team. Then 2, Abranti we know a deputy youth organizer. On your friend Usmanu Ayarega. Also a lawyer. On no National Youth Authority. And then Malek Basintali.
No more ready we say now Malek the things
it didn't make us a Youth Employment Authority and also come Malek call. And I colleague. And I did and now I'm a friend of fire. And now I'm a friend of fire. I'm just on fire.
Yes, a bit more after 3 days now from Krawunya.
And I could do Belusu. Say, ya can't
I feel within 3 days Waba government I feel offer no cry
yes.
Oh, but Abbas is a fantastic guy. Friend if you want the name.
And I go baby from Young Canasa. A Jumani and your Maye. Near Flowatcha, near information. Go information will be at the mammy. Sure. Then I'll cross check. Any online. Yes, a free agency be social investment fund. A large about poverty alleviation, how to bring people from poverty, rural communities. I don't know what one of the state-owned, state-owned, and under the last one, and in the social investment fund.
Right.
It's a account, and you a creative being a county. That's something regional communications director. Also, why sorted?
Also, as a lawyer, no depth knowledge.
Yes. It's a pick man. It's the body no I can pick Adam with our kilo DNA. I don't know why I'm
yes, Abbas new reading the nase.
Yes.
And Abbas new reading.
A pick Adam with our kilo. A pick. Hono mama no. ana onu ne no so ne picture ni ana branch from no Feligem ono so apeke e National Service Authority ono ko place former KM boss ono abo asibi say no am hu beautiful pictures ono gain e ko ono deputy root sedo bibi sedo bi wo ono so na deputy so ano mo two deputies ba ko for administration ba ko for finance minim say mama bobo two about so far we ne Martin this deputy no mo koy ne die ne root dela sedo no so ye youth to train people you NDC youth the mu ahwan ko Pablo ko so munya careful because so executive no you are weakening the party structures that is what the NDC needs to pay attention to. Which people can replace these people to sustain power in 2028? You need to think about it. They know a beautiful picture way to a kotobo ha unzo eniyewu. Let's do smooth transition. Then now honorable Sibeni former KM boss and on ne successor. Na mami you beautiful pictures are and no me who here.
Wow, wonderful.
Ana branti onu so among for some demonstration etia no. Omo ntia se ninta mama akobo ne reverend engineer Edmond Fianko so me NCA.
I think say me who document be so ma revoke that appointment.
There be so far no confirmed. I can tell you it's confirmed. It's confirmed.
Okay.
Revocation be my akokwa Sebio Mahamanye akola.
Right.
Sam George no be communication minister no onya akola. I don't think say Oma appoint you obi omuntimi ni adwuma. The politicians the way they are vindictive. They want mon fan manchi. We are sure say NDC ni John Mahama beba branch e di omunim sa branch no MPP ni. And you see, I want for accusation of the man and say time I hear to radio gold we na the palok ne koy. Akokwa. He is working. The sector minister made a certain directive. The directive had to be enforced. You didn't say no, so we should go for the cover palo to radio good. Akokwa, yen kan krenche. He's a civil servant. Na juma na wo ye no.
He's been ordered. NTSO take it.
Esa no no. Enti me there. You see, we can opportunity men people near NDC for. They need to learn a lesson. Okay? Sebe. Omo ekoku anim. They are not always the people who enjoy the spoils of war.
Sure.
Tobuase. And now me share yi afutu. Yes, almost to party of the more parliamentary candidate appointment.
Yeah.
And the papa bole bamba is almost a senior man. It is condemnable.
Yeah. I think almost
Sam George no
issue statement to the police.
Yes. Sam George no President Mahama. Omu nim sa brand NCA no ntimi nyadwuma omu ni di. Na unu ya good thing about some of these things. Mahama Bodin, Sabrante Bano Nyaduma, then you have every moral right to criticize the leader.
Definitely.
So allow the leader to do those appointments. And the Reverend Fianco, Abrante is just so muninedi. Adanya, Omer Hunu so a campaign yard, or not more KPMD. KPMG, Nidini Anthony Kwesi Sapon. Ghana, Ope, Edumekua, big. I think Deloitte, KPMG, I'm 4. Into a very known political appointees into the been not to force and then GRO official Ghana Revenue Authority. So we new director general and also replacing mama and a beautiful woman. Mirafilidino Reverend Amisha Dai kono be placing. And so on and not to find up a pay your friend Christopher Bwedi Mensa on also called National Pension Regulatory Authority. And if these are the ones I made to confirm and a letter over the week and also around the abbey. Enya cocoa board and also one who demonstration eba say omu so ye cocoa board the jumada any ade akokwa sometimes you need men outside the arena no ma be so far my catch us the position we nyina
most of adwuma no cry technocrats na handle those things
eti obi busa say kwaku asafoje de me hu ni position asafoje de mai
but definitely yes the akados
yes akokwa eti positions we nyina ewo ho beba tie maya mo relax na munyai party na mo eno na mo ya sebi o na ho akoya hini ama bibia no relax obia benya baabia so obi nso nya baabia nsa that is how governance is
enye obia na benya
baabia she that is how it is nti ya relax akokwa mdo besi ya.
All right, Eugene Osei-Tutu the fact checker me da see an opay.